Alrighty guys, welcome back. Last episode, I pretty much spent the entire time hunting for deer. And I just missed it, but I did it. I didn't know how to cancel throwing the grenades, seeing as how I had one. I'm sure now that's right. I keep pressing the right bumper instead of the left one, so I did that. That was cool. So I want to do more stuff. Actually, no. Sorry. I'm gonna fast travel to that base, and I'm gonna hunt some boar, and then I'm gonna craft a new ammo pouch so I can have more ammo. Because that would be just peachy. Do I even own a sniper rifle? It's a better one, is it? Okay. I really want to buy that one, but I can't. It looks like to be the best rifle in the game, so. Alrighty, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go up this area. How do you... My bad. How do you stop a grenade once you've thrown it? I mean, like, why do you think is it? Because I keep pressing that. Oh. Unbelievable. Piggy. Alrighty, Piggy. Ah, so I did shoot one, didn't I? These boars or pigs?
Ew.
Pigs. I don't want pigs, I want boars. Is there a different symbol for pigs and boars, or is it just... Fine, let's go over here. Hunt some cassowary. Because I do believe I can hunt a cassowary for someone. Unless boar... Boar? That looks like a boar to me. If this comes as pig hide, I'm gonna... Where the hell do you find boar hide then? God dang it. You're a pig.
The orchids are in bloom.
Great. I have one bullet left. I plan to make it a kill shot. Plan to make a kill shot. Oh, I've got a whole round left actually. What the? Freaking bird. Now I can craft something. Can't I? I need 3 cassowary leather. Why would I want to find more of those? So I may have shot a couple of these. I can sell them ones, can't I?
Ew.
Shot like 3 of them. And that one's just chilling over there.
Disgusting.
Shot more than 2. I shot 3 of them. Had to be done. Now, what do I need to craft a bigger rucksack? Tapir hide. So what did I... Heavy duty sharks and K. Maybe I did only have... No, I definitely shot more than that. No, that one's dead. Well, this has been fun. Watch. I'm gonna go back to here. Where can I'm gonna fast travel here, then I'm gonna go to where the tapirs are. And craft some tapier stuff. It's gonna be a while now. Just the murder, like, I killed 6 Cathrays and I only need to kill 3. I was making sure. I didn't get any of that deer hide because I didn't have to. That's alright. I'm not gonna get enough to sell to that guy. Is that leopard skin? No, I wanna keep my leopard skin. Dog skin. Pig hide. Pig hide. Pig hide. Deer skin. Deer skin. Okay. So I've done that. Still crouching for some reason. Oh. And I'm gonna buy some ammo for my... Ah, I don't need to. Cool. Can I buy sniper rounds? Oh, I wanna go outside now. Red door, Mark, red door. So, I'm gonna go over here now. Oh girl, this my car. That did seem a bit pointless, but doesn't matter. Did it again, but luckily I had no grenades on me. Dang it! I should have. Dude. At least that might... This might seem sad, but at least they're not... Oh...
I'll find you.
Headshot. I was gonna say, I think of it, so that it's at least not Malaysian tapirs. They look cooler than the ones. They're like half white, half black. Looks like they've been dipped in something. The hell did he get over there? Oh, just kill one of these ones. Could they make that gun loud enough? So now I can do something. I can make a bigger backpack, can't I? Yes. So what do I need for bigger holster again, sorry? For that. I need Johnny Sharks. Okay. Better bigger backpack though. My backpack's bigger than your backpack. Heh. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna pause it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.